Welcome back to Zimist Coded. In today's video, we're going to make your browsing experience a lot more intentional and a lot more productive by learning how to configure your Google Chrome startup settings step by step. Now, this is something small, but trust me, it can completely change how you start your day on your browser. All right, let's jump right in. First things first, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. Once it opens, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see those three vertical dots. This is the menu called Customize and Control Google Chrome. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down list, look for Settings and click on it. Now Chrome will take you into the Settings page. On the left-hand side, you'll see different options, but what we're interested in is called On Startup. Click on that. And now, here's where the magic happens. You'll see three main options that control what Chrome does when it starts. The first option is Open the New Tab page. When you select this, Chrome will always start fresh. Just a clean new tab, nothing else. No previous websites, no restored sessions, just a blank start every time. Let's quickly imagine that in action. You close your Chrome browser, and when you reopen it, boom, it opens a fresh new tab, clean and simple. Now let's move to the second option. Continue where you left off. This one is really useful if you multitask a lot. What it does is simple. It restores all your previously opened tabs automatically. So if you had 5 tabs open before closing Chrome, when you reopen it, everything comes right back exactly as you left it. It's like your browser remembers your entire session. Now the third option, this is where you get full control. Open a specific page or set of pages. This option lets you decide exactly what opens when Chrome starts. You can either add websites manually or even easier. Click on Use Current Pages to automatically grab the tabs you already have open. From there, you can add more pages like Zimist.com or any other website you want Chrome to launch automatically. Once you're done setting it up, restart your browser, and you'll see Chrome now opens exactly those pages every single time. Clean, fast, and personalized to your workflow. And that's really it. Now you know how to control your Chrome startup behavior and make your browsing experience work for you instead of against you. Slow it down, set it once, and enjoy a smarter Chrome setup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Zimist Coded and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. I'll see you in the next one.